Hello everyone! Welcome back to Knowledge Base, your one-stop destination for easy and detailed programming tutorials. Today we are going to explore a very important topic in Java programming, the collection framework. We'll cover everything you need to know with simple examples. So stay tuned till the end. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all my programming tutorials. First, what exactly is the collection framework? It is a unified architecture in Java that allows us to store, retrieve, and manipulate groups of objects easily. It provides ready-made classes and interfaces that reduce the amount of code we need to write. Overall, it improves the performance, efficiency, and reusability of our Java applications. Why should we prefer the collection framework instead of traditional arrays? Firstly, collections are dynamic. They can grow and shrink as needed. Secondly, they come with built-in algorithms for sorting, searching, and more. They also manage memory more efficiently and help us save time, making programming much easier. The collection framework is mainly divided into two parts: collection interface, root interface, for working with groups of objects; map interface, for working with key-value pairs. Under collection we have three major types: list, set, and queue, and each one has different characteristics. Let's first talk about the list interface. It maintains order and allows duplicate elements. You can access elements using an index, just like an array. Popular classes that implement list are ArrayList, linked list, vector, and stack. Here's a simple ArrayList example. We create a list of fruits, add some items, and print the list. Notice how easy it is to use, compared to arrays where we have to manage size manually. Next, we have the set interface. A set does not allow duplicate elements. Also, unlike lists, sets do not maintain order. Common classes are HashSet, linked HashSet, and treeSet. In this example, we create a hash set of integers. Even if we try to add duplicate values, the set will store only unique elements. Remember, the output order is not guaranteed in a hash set. Now, the queue interface. A queue follows the first-in, first-out (FIFO) principle. The first element added is the first one to be removed. Important classes include PriorityQueue and linked list. In this PriorityQueue example, elements are automatically arranged in natural order, that is, ascending order for numbers. When we remove elements, they come out sorted, not necessarily in the order we inserted them. Moving on to the map interface. A map stores key-value pairs. Each key is unique, but values can be duplicate. Common classes are HashMap, TreeMap, and linked HashMap. Here's a simple HashMap example. We associate numbers with programming language names. Notice how easy it is to retrieve a value just by using its key. Wait, what about collections with an S? Collections is a utility class that provides static methods like sort, reverse, and shuffle. You can use it to quickly manipulate elements inside any collection. Example: Collections.sort, list. Here's a common doubt for beginners. Collection without S is an interface that defines behavior. Collections with S is a helper class with pre-built static methods. Remember, they are very different. Before we wrap up, here are some key points. Always declare collections using their interface type, like list string list equals new array list. Use generics to make your code type safe. Choose the right class based on whether you need ordering, uniqueness, key value pairs, or FIFO behavior. In short, the collection framework simplifies Java development and helps you become a more efficient coder. Master lists, sets, queues, and maps, and you'll have a solid foundation for building bigger applications. We will implement all the collection framework classes and interfaces practically one by one in future videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching today's session on Knowledge Base. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more awesome tutorials. Happy coding! Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the Knowledge Base. Thank you.